if you like food so much? So, mahilig ka ba sa pagkain? As in Jollibee, McDo, KFC, Burger King, Chowking, Tokyo. Tapos, desserts pa sa Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks at kung saan-saan pa. So, you like Zagu, Black Scoop, Black Pearl. Mahilig ka ba magluto sa bahay? Pork chop, sinigang na baboy, tilapia, at kung ano-ano pa. Okay, so 7-Eleven mini stop, hotdog sandwich, siopaw, siomay, burger, fries. Fries na sour cream, barbecue or cheese. Tapos may sauce and dip pa. You like Dairy Queen? What if you like food so much? As in meals or merienda? Breakfast, sinangag or fried rice. Tapos ulam na pang-agahan. Sarap. Okay, gusto mo bang ipagluto ang boyfriend mo? Or girlfriend mo? Okay, so. Kape. Okay, so. What if you like food so much? Learn to control and exercise. Minsan naman, salad naman. May sarili ka bang chef sa inyo? Okay, so donuts, brownies, cake, ice cream, masarap. Oo, Dunkin' Donuts, Goldilocks, Dairy Queen, masarap. Okay. What if you like food so much? So, you love food. I-photography mo na yan. Get your camera and capture it. Capture it. Ilagay mo pa sa Instagram. Baka gusto mo na din ng food business. Oo, okay. So, or coffee business. Kape. Okay. Or desserts na business. Oo. What if you like food so much? Enjoy. Treat yourself kahit chocolates pa. Meiji Panda na din at yan. Oo, okay. So, what is the time now? Thinking of food and drinks. Right as of this moment. Iced tea pa or red tea? Oo, street food, kwek-kwek. Turon, fishball, oo. Okay, madaming pagkain sa paligid. Kahit sa sarili mo pang bahay. Oo, okay. So, what if you like food so much? Paano nga ba? Ingat sa pagkonsumo nito. Kasi too much is too much. Pagpog luto ni okay, so what if you like food so much? Exercise and diet din kapag walking, running, jogging, use a treadmill or go out of your house, okay, so what if you like food so much? Control, oo. Buy a food magazine. Coffee magazine, books about food. Manood sa YouTube or mag-Google about food. Watch vlogs about food. Talk about food. As in all the time, okay, so isipin kung ano ang ibe-breakfast mo. Lunch or even dinner. Or even merienda snack and even midnight snack, okay, so. Or kahit sa madaling araw pa kapag hindi makatulog, okay, so. What if you like food so much? Don't think of it too much. But have space. Every day, we eat and consume food. Because we are humans, people, person. We need it in our lives. I mean food, pagkain. Oo, okay, so. Ingat lang po, baka tumaba at mag-gain ng weight. Opo, okay. What if you like food so much? Paano nga ba? I-business mo na. Oh, okay. God created it all, that is why. And this is why. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next. I hope that you are all well. Stay happy and alive. Yes. Speak up, dear. Speak up, dear.